Welcome to this video. Today we will talk about local SEO. We will see what it means, how it works, and why it is important for businesses that serve specific locations. Local SEO is the process of optimizing your online presence so your business appears in local search results on Google and other search engines. It targets users searching for products or services near them. Local SEO is important because customer often searches online before visiting a store. A strong local presence increases your chances of being chosen over competitors. Local SEO works by optimizing your website, Google business profile, and local citations. Google uses relevance, distance, and prominence to decide which business to show in local search results. Key elements of local SEO includes claiming and optimizing your Google business profile, getting customer reviews, creating local relevant content, and building local citations. The Google local pack is the box that appears in search results showing the top local businesses for a query. Appearing here can drive significant traffic to your business. The benefits of local SEO include more local visibility, better customer trust through reviews, higher conversion rates, and increased foot traffic to your business location. Tools like Google Business Profile, Moz Local, Bright Local, and Google Analytics help you manage and measure your local SEO performance. Local SEO is essential for any business targeting customer in specific locations. By optimizing your online presence, you can appear in local searches, attract more customers, and grow your business. Thank you for watching. Start working on your local SEO today to connect with customers in your area and grow your business. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.